Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cake decorating tools. So let's get started. Number 7. Wilton Decorate Cakes. This kit is for first-time cake decorators or for anyone who wants to improve their basic techniques. The kit includes a full-color instruction book that shows you all kinds of different decorating techniques to make things super simple, as well as a link to a video tutorial library that offers even more instruction. With a 9-inch angled spatula, 3 standard couplers, 1 decorating brush, 12 16-inch disposable decorating bags, 12 12-inch disposable decorating bags, 10 decorating tips along with a recipe for buttercream icing, there's a lot to look forward to in this kit. Wilton products are exceptionally well made, so you can expect to use and enjoy this kit for many years. Number 6. Riki's Kingdom Kids. If your kids love to cook, or if you'd love them to learn to cook, this special set designed for children will get them off to a great start. It's brightly colored, easy to use, and even easier to clean. The chef's apron adds whimsy to a fun playtime activity, and the skills learned from baking and decorating inspire kids to do even more cooking. There's a lot to use in this set: a dozen silicone cupcake cups, a silicone rolling pin with wooden handle, a silicone whisk with stainless steel handle, 5-star cookie cutters in different sizes, 5 heart cookie cutters in different sizes, 5 measuring spoons, 1 piping bag, 6 piping nozzles, 1 coupler, a blue spatula, a green pastry brush, a Dacron apron, and 5 recipe cards. Number 5. Wilton Ultimate Cake Decorating. This set gives the home cake decorator access to the tools of the professional. A total of 263 pieces are organized in a caddy, which holds everything neatly so you can find the tools you need very easily. There are tools to use to create buttercream, royal icing, and fondant, as well as gum paste decorations. This is basically the luxe version of all the cake decorating sets available. If you're an aspirational cake decorator who wants to explore endless possibilities, this set offers that potential. Specific tools and accessories include the caddy, with see-through drawers, an assortment of decorating tips, decorating bags, straight and angled spatulas, flower nails, an icing comb, fondant roller, fondant cutout sets, impression mats, fondant tools, and decorating brushes. Number 4. Wilton Cake Decorating Icing. This cake decorating bag holder from Wilton solves that problem of piles of decorating bags with different colors of icing lying all over the counter, causing a mess and a distraction. No more icing droplets all over everything. It can hold up to 6 pastry bags, it has stable legs with non-slip silicone feet, and it also folds up to save space when you're not using it. The center has a space with 6 built-in flower nail grips that hold nails upright for easy one-handed use. This should be hand-washed to maintain the non-stick surface. Number 3. VORCAY Cake Decorating Supplies. This kit includes everything a cake decorator needs from A to Z. The sheer variety of tools has a sense of the extravagant, though each piece has a purpose. A revolving aluminum cake turntable, 48 seamless stainless steel numbered icing and flower tips in a storage box with pattern chart, nozzles, scrapers, bags, leveler, brush, spatulas, and more. For the cake decorator who wants to explore a wide variety of forms and techniques, there are endless possibilities with this collection. Number 2. Ateco Revolving Cake Decorating. Eventually, your friends and family will start calling you for birthdays, anniversaries, special occasions, and maybe even weddings. The larger and more elaborate your cakes get, the more substantial your cake-making equipment will get. At this point, you'll want to consider upgrading to a sturdier cake turntable capable of smoothly handling stacked cakes, sheet cakes, and heavy-duty baking projects. Ateco is a trusted name in bakeries and professional pastry kitchens everywhere. The 12-inch aluminum turntable provides the same smooth ball-bearing rotation that the higher-end cast iron model offers, at a fraction of the weight and price. This cake stand includes a non-slip silicone base and easily wipes clean after frosting. Number 1. Patelai 6-piece acrylic cake. If you've been watching cake trends over the last year, you've definitely seen the return of cake scrapers in new and creative patterns. Aren't those striped cakes amazing? Many years ago, cake scrapers were only available in small triangular or fluted patterns, and were generally considered to be an amateur method of finishing the side of a cake quickly without worrying about a perfectly smooth buttercream finish. Not anymore. Cake scrapers, sometimes referred to as cake combs, have been reimagined to create large and beautiful sculptural effects on cakes that reach for the sky. This set of 6 acrylic cake scrapers will have you creating viral social media cakes in no time flat. 5 of the scrapers are double-sided, with 10 different comb options. The 6th scraper is flat on both sides to help you perfect those beautiful smooth cakes that are next to impossible to create with an offset spatula alone.